Boom. Yo, what's up traders, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you a simple price action, easy to understand, easy to apply. So without wasting any time, let's get to the chart.
Yes guys, as you can see I'm on USD. So basically I'm going to analyze USD, and you can see I'm already on what, on weekly chart. So as usual guys, I start from weekly, daily, 4 hours, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, or get up to 100 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's just start to analyze our price action. So here, as you can see, we took out this high point, so I'm just gonna make it like this. Then another one, we took out this high point here. So let me just mark them so that you can see what's happening here, guys. So here I'm gonna make it as what, as B, stands for what, for breakout structure. Then here we break another structure up here, something like this. I mean, yes. Then here market, it failed to break, so I'm gonna just put a mark, a line here. As you can see, Sunday, yeah. So it's like this here. So if I can ask you guys, like, what trend are we on? You can just say, guys, that we're on what? We're on a bullish trend. So basically, market, it failed to break here, this high point here, where I just put X's here, guys. Market, it failed to break it here at the fourth, where I just put a circle here. As you can see, we have a what? A bearish pin bar. So it means that market, it what? It failed to break it. Then market, let me just take out all these things here, these lines. And market, it come all the way here, having what, a low point here. The market again, it failed to break out this low point here. So let me put a what, an X here, where I put two X's. Market, it failed to what, to break that low point. So what market is it doing now? Market, as you can see, it's in a what, in a bullish trend again. So basically it's going what, to break what, this high point here. Simple, as you can see. So on weekly, we are what, we are bullish. And in that bull trend, it doesn't mean that we can take maybe bearish trades or sales. You understand? We can take them, but then they have to give us a good confirmation. So easy, guys. Simple. I didn't even use any indicator or what, guys. Simple price action. Market is bullish, so we have to what, to buy. But then if let's say I can get simple, I mean good confirmation for sales, we can take them. So I'm gonna take out everything here. So let me just take out everything and go to daily. So just like that, on weekly, we are bullish, guys. So now I'm on daily. Let's see what's happening on daily. So on daily, I'm gonna analyze daily real quick, guys, so that you understand. Sorry. So here we took out this high point here. So I'm gonna make it as B. B, like what I said, is what, breakout structure. Simple, guys. And this one is the simplest strategy ever, guys. And here we took out what, this high point again, something like this. B is breakout structure. Then here it's a little bit tricky, but in for those experienced traders, they'll understand here, guys. Market, it took out this what, this lower high point here, as you can see here. So I can make it like this here. So let me just put a B, what, it's a breakout structure again here, something like this. So I'm gonna make it a little bit clean. So here basically it was a what, it was a flip. So I'm gonna make it as flip. Then let me just take out this one. I hope you understand, guys. Right, yeah, something like this. So we took out what, this high point, and market, it left as what, a good demand zone here. So I'm gonna make it as like this. Then here we got what, another demand zone here. Yeah, something like this. My PC is kind of lagging. I don't know why. So, but then I think we are good now. Yes, something like this. So, like what I said, guys, on weekly we are bullish. On that bullish, guys, that doesn't mean that we can take what, sales. Yes, we can take sales, but in the have to what, to have a good confirmation. As you can see on daily again, on daily we are bullish. But in market here, what's happening here with the market? Market, we just wait for something like this here. So here, as you can see, market, basically it's, you know what, in a bullish trend, a big bullish trend. I can put a line here. So now I can wait for, let me just look for a path to, for market to give me something like this here, to sell something like this. Then I'll take what, this demand zone. Then what, we made a change of character. Then confirm. Then boom, we continue what, to buy. Simple. You understand? And this pattern again, I can wait for it. If let's say market decided to break what, let's say it decided to break this demand zone, I mean, then we can wait for market again to pull up like this, then give me a change of character, then boom, we buy again. Simple, you understand? Or else, since bullish is still showing us that our market is what in a strong bullish trend, we can again wait for something like this. If let's say market cannot break this high point, retest, then what, boom. Simple, guys. Simple price action. You don't have to look for big, let's say for any indicator, or say here you have to look for moving average. Nothing like that, guys. Only price action. You mark your zones. You say, okay, market probably is going to come to this zone. If let's say market get to this zone, then you give me out a good change of character, or it breaks, then I can buy or sell. You understand? Simple. So that wasting any time now. I'm going to 4 hours. So you understand, on weekly we are bullish, daily we are bullish, but on daily, I mean, we have to wait for market to react on our zones. If it react on good on our zones, then we can continue to buy. If it breaks, wait for another direction or another zone. Simple. And here we can sell. Let me remove sorry. So I'm gonna remove these drawings here. Yeah, something like this. And market maybe can give me something like this here. I can look for sales here on lower time frame to get out to this demand zone. If we get to this demand zone, then I'll come out from those sales. And then market, I will look forward for bull trades. Simple. So now let me just take out that line 2. Now I'm going to 4 hours, guys. I'm going to show you that this price action is very simple again. So what do you see here, guys? So here I can take out, let me just take out all the drawings and start again to analyze. So here, let me just take a trend line 2, something like this. Yeah, so here it was what? A breakout structure. And this strategy, guys, you don't have to go too far. Just analyze what you see currently on that on that part only. So here we got a good demand zone. Whereby market it already reacted on it. Yeah, something like this. Then here I got what? A good demand zone 2. So I can just mark it like this. Yes, then here, let me see if we break. I think here, yes, we already break here, guys. So I can mark it here. This high point. I don't know how my PC is kind of lagging. I don't know why. Yeah, something like this. Then here we have what? A B means breaker structure here, guys. Simple, you understand? So here, I can mark it again. I can mark a good zone here. So here, there is a demand zone here. Yeah. I'm going to show you a simple strategy, guys. We start from weekly to get to 1 minute time frame. Then here, I get another what? Demand zone here. In inside bar. For me, all inside bars, guys, I mark them as what? Is demand, basically. Something like this. You see, guys, simple. So here, we got a what? So let me just take a horizontal array. I mark this high point here. That would be our target. So here, what am I expecting here, guys? Now we start from weekly. From weekly, we are bullish. Then daily, again, we are bullish. On 4 hours, we are what? We are bullish, guys. And we are rating on what? On a demand zone. So what am I expecting? I'll expect something like this here. So if I can take my part 2, something like this, market to give me something like this, retest, break, then what? We change character up, we retest a little bit, then we target what? This high point. Simple, guys. Simple, simple. You understand? Or else, market it can break this zone here. If let's say market it breaks this zone here, let's say it break, and if it breaks, by breaking, guys, I mean it has to give me what? A candle close. By candle close, it has to close with a candle, not a wick. You understand? Simple. So retest again, tape what? Something like this, retest, tape what? This demand zone, then boom, then tada, boom, we target on this high point. And that's just simple, guys. And here I can look for sales. If let's say I break that first demand zone, the first one, then I can look for sales till I get out to the two end. I mean the second one, the second zone. If I get to the second zone, I'll look for bullish. If bullish, let's say they're agreeing, let's say all my confluences, they're agreeing with me, like okay, I have to buy. Yes, I can just buy. But if it continue to sell, I can even sell to what? To this demand zone here. If let's say it break, maybe it can give me a break, then I'll say what? To this demand zone here. I hope you understand, guys. Simple. So now I'm going to remove all these drawings here, only these drawings here. Then I'll go to 15 minutes. I'm going by the way from what? From weekly till I'll get up to 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, what am I looking at here? As you can see, market, it's what is bearish. By this bearish, it doesn't it mustn't, guys, like it mustn't confuse you. This bearish, it's just a what? It's just a pullback from what? From daily, from 4 hours, I mean, something like this. You understand? So here, currently we are like this here. So again, what am I expecting? So let me tell you something. On week, I use only weekly and daily. I use them as my higher time frame. There, I don't mark any zone. I'll just see that maybe probably market price action, like the market is about to get what to this zone, but I don't mark them. So my zones, I start to mark them from what? From 4 hours. Each and every 4 hours, a good zone, I'll mark it 4 hours, 15 minutes. Only those what? Two time frame, 4 hours and 15 minutes. That's why I'll mark out my zone. So here I'm gonna mark even zone on and analyze again what market maybe like it might do. So here, as you can see, we are reacting or not on 4 hours. So here I'm gonna mark this zone as what? Is 4 hours. So H4 just mean what? 4 hour, guys. So here I'm gonna put it on right so that you can see. As you can see. So here I can wait for market to give me something like this. So here, yes. So here I can wait for market to give me something like this to come here and take, let's say maybe 50%, something like this, take 50% of the zone, then made a change of character, then boom, then I'll target what? Again, this high point. I hope you understand, guys. Simple. You understand? Something like this. Sorry. Something like that. Or else, if market, like what I was saying on 4 hours, if market break this what? This demand zone, it might break this demand zone for 4 hours. If it breaks, then boom again, I target what? This slower one again. Because here, probably I can have a what? A triangle to something like this. Then here again, I can have another one, something like this. So I'm gonna just mark it for you real quick. So here I can say CH by CH, like what I said, what? Change of character. Then here I can take a trade from this place. Say I'll say long from here. I'll put my stops maybe somewhere here. Then I'll target what? This high point here, guys. You understand? Or else, if let's say it decided to break again, then I'll just it will wait for market what to break and just retest a little bit. So here I'll just put my stops here. Then I'll target what? Just target this demand zone, guys. Simple. I don't think anything is complicated here. Everything is simple, guys. Here, just wait. And on this strategy, just have to have patience. If market come to your zone, wait for market to come to your zone and react. If it reacts, then boom, we took a trade. If let's say it doesn't react, we just chill. So here is between two. Let's say market, you give me a change of character up. I took the bullish. If let's say break the zone with a kind of close up, I will look for sales. Simple, guys. I don't think anything is complicated there. So simple price action, guys. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand anything, guys, just hit me on the comment section. Then I'll try to help you there. You have a lovely day, guys. Peace out.